Hi guys!
So today, me and my nanny are gonna
Louder.
be doing
Chocolate cake.
Now we're gonna
put
be 3 eggs.
Then you mix it. Mix it. I will help you to mix. Then next is
You have to put
the sugar. Okay, mix nicely so that the consistency is it's good. I will help you. I help you.
I know how.
But we need to this to do the good texture of the cake so that we will shake together. Shake with love.
Not
Yalla,
shake with love.
be careful. Careful. Yalla, mix it. Yalla, mix. Mix this one so that it will not moving. Yalla. Yalla, mix. Then, wait. I will help you. So that we will put now the milk.
It's wobbling.
Yeah. We will make a chocolate cake. Next, we put a 3/4 of fresh milk. 3/4 of fresh milk. Wait. Mix. Mix that one. I will give it to you. Then you pour it. 3/4 of. Okay. Hold. 3/4 of fresh milk. Then mix it again. So mix. Wait, slowly. It's not splash. So mix it. Aywa. Yalla, keep mixing.
Like a just like
Yalla, mix. Yan, mix it. Don't stop mixing.
send it to mommy and on YouTube.
Yeah. I will send to mommy and daddy. Yalla, keep on mixing.